Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, open Tools folder by tapping on it and tap on Recorder. Then choose Agree and Continue, tap on Allow and click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can add a bookmark using the left one, and end and save your recording by using a right button. Now you need to name it and click on this icon at the top right corner of the stage recording pop-up to save it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always delete it though by holding it, clicking on this delete icon at the bottom right corner and choosing delete all recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!